Hi everyone, my name is Manjoot Singh and I'm the founder. Now what is SubG? SubG is the India's localized map-based gaming platform, which is basically a first-person shoot battleground. The game is all about a last man standing on the island who is being rewarded in multiple ways. It contains highly qualified games, MOs, characters, etc. In-app purchasing and gamification reward to enhance the experience and the smoothen user engagement. As per Yosui statistics, the gaming industry carries immense potential, and by 2025, the industry valuation will be $3.4 billion. Now, what is the target audience? The number of games throughout the globe as 2020 was 2.69 and is increasing significantly. The projected figure is 3.07 billion by 2023 as per survey by Statistica. The game will be designed, developed in such a way that the planning to onboard the user will be around 100,000 in year 2021, and by mid-year 25,000 will be actively participating for in-app purchases. Why SubG? Primarily there are 5 different reasons. First is being a mobile application can penetrate the market way too faster than the PC games. The price of the PUBG or any other game which deals into first person shoot are much higher than that we have come up with. Third, we are looking for the best opportunity to strike when it comes to a digital India and Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Fourth, the users playing the games will be aware of the most prominent areas of India. In USP, the most important and the last point would be we guys are coming with a localized map like Cyber Hub, Gurgaon, Noida, Atta Market, Bangalore, Koramangalam, Amer Fort in Jaipur, so that people would be much aware of the localized maps. Are asked. We are currently looking for around INR 1 to 2 CR for the next 12 to 14 month runaway. The amount can be accumulated by either one of our investor or multiple investors. The complete projection shall be shared separately along with the allocations of funds. Now what is the question is why to invest? For youngsters in India, the gaming is becoming an important form of entertainment. A new genre is defined in the recent Indian culture, which is highly admirable by all the segment of society. The game provides cutting-edge experience to the PUBG addictors, vision to achieve the success milestone and hence increasing the valuations. To suppress the monopoly of Chinese games, PUBG or Call of Duty created by different competitors in the gaming market. In-app purchase can tailor-made as per the best possible price for customer retention. Now, what would be the traction, achievements and press releases? We have more than 200 users and 100 active users onboarded already. More than 50 players are actively purchasing from in-app in upcoming months. Localized maps like Connaught Place, Delhi, Cyber Hub, Gurgaon, Jaipur, Amer Fort is about to come. 2 TDM maps along with 1 character and 2 in-app purchased characters along with the free MOs and other categories of in-app purchases. Now let me tell about the team. Me, myself having a 10 years of experience along with my partners in mobile application development with diversified experience and carries relevant experience of gaming and technology adoption. This is my second entrepreneurial journey. My first exposure was back in 2012 as a Thoughtweaver Private Limited, which was a mobile application development company. Thank you and have a nice day.